Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kylie. What's popping? What's good? What's going on? Let's jump straight into this tutorial. I'm starting off on fresh clean skin, and I'm gonna go ahead and prime my skin using my Milk Hydro Grip primer. This ensures that my makeup lasts for hours and I love it. For foundation, I'm gonna be using my Too Faced Born This Way matte foundation in the shade Tirimisu. This is slightly darker than me, but I don't mind because by the time I highlight and contour and all of that, my face is gonna match my body. I'm also using a BH Cosmetics brush to blend everything into my skin. When blending my foundation, I like to use patting motions instead of like swirling it all over my face, if that makes sense. But yeah, and you want to make sure that you're bringing this down your neck as well. I'm taking my beauty sponge from e.l.f. and I just like to go over my face to make sure everything is blended in seamlessly. I don't like any harsh lines on my face, and I feel like doing this really ensures that I get a smooth, even base. For concealer today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline concealer. All the products will be in the description box down below. And I'm going to be using this angled brush from Shein to blend everything out. When blending my concealer, I like to use tapping motions or patting motions. I don't like to swirl the products all over my skin. Patting ensures that I get an even, smooth coverage. You know, I don't like no patchiness on my face. You also want to make sure that you're not bringing the concealer too far out, because then you end up looking crazy. So just be mindful of that. Quick tip, if you want more coverage from your concealer, make sure you let it sit for a few seconds before blending it out. I'm taking my foundation brush and I'm gonna blend the harsh line that I have because I hate harsh makeup. And I recommend you do this step if you want no harsh lines between where you highlighted and where you place your contour. Like, see, that is not cute. That is what we do not want. You do not want to leave your house looking like that, okay? So make sure you blend. Blending is key. And it takes time, but you gotta blend. Look how good that looks. Look at how good that looks. But I'm gonna cream bronze with my Juvia's Place foundation stick. I started using this like a few weeks ago and I actually really like it. I will say be mindful though, because on the website the shades look completely different in person. But I'm gonna be blending this out using a contour brush from the same BH Cosmetics brush set. And when blending out your cream bronzer or contour, it's very important to blend up so that you could lift up your face and not down, because if you blend down, it just looks muddy and a hot mess. So yes sis, don't do that. I also like to take the excess product and go on the corners of my face, as you guys can see. I'm using my concealer brush to blend out any harsh lines once again. This is very important. You're gonna see me go back and forth a few times, but I just like to ensure that my base is even, flawless, smooth, airbrushed. But I'm gonna go in with concealer and put it on my eyelids. I like to put concealer on my eyelids last because I feel like whenever I do it in the beginning, it just creases and it looks a hot mess. But yeah, I'm gonna be setting this with my Laura Mercier powder. I do not know how to pronounce that. And also, if you want to save coins, I have a discount code down below, so don't miss out on that. But when setting your face, you want to make sure you tap off the excess powder and press it into your skin. To me, this method ensures that I won't get flashback. I won't look ashy, you know, especially if you're taking pictures at night. You do not want flashbacks, sis. Like, it's 2021. We're not doing that anymore, period. So yeah, I really like to take my time and really press this product into my skin. If you want to bake, I recommend setting it first and then baking. Quick tip, immediately after blending out your concealer, go ahead and set it right away. This prevents creasing, I'm telling you. I like to set my eyebrows because they get pretty oily, so if you have that same problem, I recommend setting your brows with some loose powder to prevent the oils from seeping through. To set the rest of my face, I'm using my L'Oreal pressed powder and it's my Ray Ray Big Fluffy brush, and I am just going to go over the areas of my face that I did not highlight. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution bronzer and this BH Cosmetic brush to add some warmth to my face. I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance contour palette to add some dimension to my nose, and you want to do this with a very light hand because this palette is super duper pigmented. Time for brows. So for brows today, I'm gonna be using my Morphe pencil and my Dollar Tree pencil. The real ones know this is my go-to, okay? Like, I absolutely love these products, they're bomb. But when I'm doing my brows, I like to lightly outline them. After outlining my brows, I like to fill in the tails and then go in with a lighter brow pencil and really focus on filling in the sparse areas, if that makes sense. After I'm finished filling them in, I like to go in with a spoolie and brush my brows out. I'm going to curl my lashes before applying mascara. This really helps to give my eyelashes a nice curl, which I need. I'm going in with this Revlon mascara. I like it because it's affordable, it's drugstore, it's right up my alley. And it does a really good job at making my lashes wispy. For lashes, I'm gonna be using these lashes from Shein. I'm gonna have everything in the description box, but I realized that these lashes were not matching at all. And I was pissed off because I didn't realize until after I filmed and take all my pictures. So yeah, your girl was salty. For blush, I'm using my Juvia's Place palette and I'm mixing the brown and pink shade together, and I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. highlight brush to apply this. And when applying blush, honestly, you want to apply it a little bit higher than you would your bronzer. And I'm gonna set my face real quick and add some highlight. I'm moving really fast. I'm like trying to keep up with myself, but yeah, I don't highlight all of my face, just my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip using a dark brown lip liner, and I'm gonna apply a nude lip and top it off with gloss per usual, and that's it. But yeah guys, this is the final look. Let me know what you think down below. As usual, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!